Hello everyone, my name is Sonia Singh and I am from Uttar Pradesh, and recently I have done my graduation and now I am doing masters from English literature, okay, or as well as I am learning English language. But yes, I have learned a lot of things. So yes, in this video I am going to tell you about a application. If you use honestly and wisely, then definitely your English will be improved and then you can become fluent in English, okay. And this is a free, okay, not any charge, you can use just a free, okay. So yes, this application name is peerUp. Here you can call, you can, let me show you, okay. So my friends, please wait a second, okay. So their name is peerUp. Here you can call, let me show you. Here see my friends, here when you click here, then automatically your call automatically complete here, okay. And there is a many features. See this one here is right English tutor, and here data analytics, and here click and you can practice English for a 1 hour, okay. This is practice. I am going to show you live. Here I am clicking and watch this video till the end, that how I practice with English tutor with you can say AI, okay. And this is call me Sona and I call her Maya, okay. So yes, let's try. So listen.
Hello Sona, it is so nice to meet you on peerUp. I am Maya. I love using this app to help people like you learn English. It makes learning fun, doesn't it? Tell me, what is your favorite thing about learning English?
My favorite thing is for learning English language, watching English story.
Oh, watching English stories is a wonderful way to learn. It helps with listening and understanding new words. Do you have a favorite English story or movie you enjoy?
Yes, by the way, I have watched many English stories, but recently I have watched Dhadkan movie in English, and it was dubbed movie, because this movie is not in Hindi but it was dubbing. I watched.
That's interesting, Sona. Watching a dubbed movie in English is a good way to practice. Even if the original language isn't Hindi, you're still getting exposure to the English dialogue. Did you find it helpful for your English learning?
Yes, it's so very helpful to learn my English, and I have watched this movie many times and I have downloaded in my mobile.
That's fantastic, Sona. Downloading the movie and watching it multiple times shows great dedication. It's like giving your ears and brain extra practice.
As far as I am remembering, in that movie, actor Anil Sethi and Shilpa Shetty, and when the Shilpa Shetty got married with Akshay Kumar, then Sunil Shetty says like Anjali.
Thank you for sharing that scene, Sona. It sounds like a very dramatic moment. You remembered the dialogue quite well. It's great that you can recall specific parts of the movie. What do you think about the actors' performances in that scene?
Yes, actress performance is very fantastic, we can say. Shilpa Shetty and Akshay Kumar and Sunil Shetty, super actors and actor.
It's wonderful that you appreciate the actors' performances so much, Sona. You used the word super multiple times to emphasize how good you think they are. That's a great way to show your enthusiasm. Besides the actors, what did you like most about the movie itself? Was it the story, the music, or something else?
Yes, that story is very wisely, because in that movie, for all people try to make understand that if we don't get anything, we don't make too mad for that thing. Hello Maya, can you hear me? Am I audible or not? Because my friend, there is network issue, that's why it's happening. Okay, anyway, just in this video I'm going to try to say with you, like, you don't have any partner for your practice English, that you can use it, okay. if you wanna download, so go on your Play Store and write peerUp application and their logo this type, this type you can see or you can download and you can practice without any partner. Okay, so yes my friends, I hope this video you liked, and if you liked, though, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and if you do subscribe, then get me motivation to make more videos. Okay, so please click the subscribe button, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing.